Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start Amazon Prime subscription. And to do this, first we'll need to visit Amazon website and select your region by clicking right here, change country or region, and then pick whichever place you live in. And keep in mind that prices for your Prime might change if you pick a different region, so yeah. Then when it's ready, we can click on actually hold our mouse over our account and go for account like this. Then select Prime. And here you can start your free 30 days trial, as well as pick a plan. If you scroll down, explore other plans, and then pick whichever plan you like. Then click on this button right here. And sadly I can't sign in, but if you manage to sign in after that, then simply add your payment method. There's multiple different options, and then just pay for it and you'll get yourself Amazon Prime. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.